Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate channel for making savvy purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of drones. On the left, we have the Holystone HS-430, and on the right, the ATTOP drone. Who will soar to the top and who will crash and burn? Let's find out. Buckle up, folks, because this comparison is going to be an epic flight. Ready? Let's go! First up, the Holystone HS-430. This little guy is priced at $77. That's cheaper than a fancy dinner date, am I right? Then we have the ATTOP drone, coming in at $99. More expensive, but hey, maybe it's got some tricks up its propellers. So if you're a budget-conscious flyer, the HS-430 might just be your wingman. But let's see if spending a few extra bucks on the ATTOP is worth it. Next, let's talk cameras. The HS-430 boasts a 1080p camera. Not bad, right? It's like getting a decent selfie on a budget phone. But the ATTOP drone? It's rocking a 2K camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. That's like having an Instagram filter built in, folks. So if you're looking to capture those epic aerial shots, the ATTOP might just make you the next Spielberg of the skies. The HS-430 gives you nearly half an hour of flight time with its two modular LiPo batteries. That's enough time to annoy your neighbors twice. The ATTOP, on the other hand, gives you 20 minutes. Not bad, but you might need to land for a quick battery swap in the middle of your epic drone race. So if you're planning a drone marathon, the HS-430 might be your best bet. But for a quick, action-packed flight, the ATTOP's still in the game. Now, let's talk fun. The HS-430 is packed with features: high-speed rotation, circle fly, voice control, gesture control, and even throw to go. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. The ATTOP isn't slacking either. It's got a 360 degrees flip, voice control, gesture recognition, and even VR compatibility. It's basically a flying video game. So, whether you want to impress your friends with drone tricks, or just feel like a wizard commanding your drone, both these bad boys have you covered. The HS-430 is compact and portable. It can fit in your palm when folded, perfect for those spontaneous drone adventures. The ATTOP comes with a handy carry case. It's like carrying a mini suitcase for your drone. Fancy, right? So if you're always on the go, the HS-430 slips right into your pocket. But if you like to travel in style, the ATTOP's got your back. Reviewers find the Holystone HS-430 to be easy to set up, fun to use, and offering good value for its price. It has a nice camera and solid flight time, but some minor stability issues. The ATTOP drone, on the other hand, has mixed reviews. Some users praise its customer service and user-friendly controls, but others have faced issues with battery life, app functionality, and flight stability. So there you have it, folks. The Holystone HS-430 and the ATTOP drone, both packed with features and ready to take your aerial adventures to new heights. Which one will you choose? The budget-friendly Holystone or the feature-packed ATTOP? Let us know your pick in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.